All right, Sprinter, today we learn how you automate your business using the AI that's available. Right now it's ChatGPT. Whenever you watch this video, it might be something else. It might be another AI platform, but AI is here to stay and will help you. So I will share the exact prompt in this video that can help you have the AI write systems for you. So if you want to automate 85% of your business, now there is help. It's free, it's fast, it can do the work for you. The only thing that you need is the right prompt. So I will share two things with you: how to write an SOP, a standard operating procedure, and then how to have the AI do the work for you. All right, are you ready? Let's go in there. First of all, why would you want to automate your business? Because you want more time, right? And how does it look like a business that's automated? In the strategy sprints method, we coach people to break it down into 3 simple steps. You have marketing, you have sales, and you have operations. Keep it simple. With those 3 buckets, you start picking the head of marketing, the head of sales, and the head of operations from your team. And they start writing down the first SOP, the first process. And an SOP is a standard operating procedure, which means how we do this. So an SOP for marketing is how we do marketing. What is marketing? Marketing is, hello, here we are. Would you like to talk? And hop on a calendar. Sales is, hi, how can I help? What do you need to decide? What's the change you want to install, and how can I help you get there? Operations is now delivering on your promise, keeping them happy, activating their magic, and at the point when you activate, at those activation points, asking who else needs this. These are the steps, and then you can put on also retainment. How can you create more work from each client, either by expanding or by having a retainment piece. So how can we do that? Let me share with you the real way we are doing it, and hundreds of agencies are doing this in the strategy sprints program. How do you do that? You document the work by doing it. So you do it, you record it, you let an AI transcribe it, and then you hand it over. These are the 4 steps, but let's go into the nitty gritty. So you write down process name, process owner. These are the first 2 things. So let's say the process owner is Mike, and the process name is let's say the LinkedIn from awareness to engagement system. And the process owner is Mike. So when was it last updated? It will be Mike's job to say here in June, in October, etc. When was the last time that I thought about this process and I cared about that it's good? Because there are some rules. Every time you pass by a process, you simplify it. Every time you pass by a process, you think, what can you improve? And metrics. How will Mike measure that it's working? So he will put some KPIs in there. And then you start writing the triggers. So this starts when. For example, whenever a person has voted on my LinkedIn poll, then that's the trigger for you to start the conversations with them. So to ask them something about their vote, why they voted that way, and that you're curious about learning more about them. So we have the trigger. That's whenever somebody commented or voted on your LinkedIn poll. And then we have the activity. And the activity will be step 2, 3, 4. So you follow up, you start a conversation. This is the script. This is how a good conversation looks like. And then it is completed when this happens. So define when is it done. For example, from the LinkedIn engagement, from the poll, it's done when they land on the calendars of one of our salespeople. And then document it. Always describe here how they should document the process, for example, in Notion, like we do it, or wherever they want to document. And then best example. So add here an example attached of how this looks like when it's done the best way. So for example, a screenshot of it, or a quick screencast video. This is how you write an SOP. Now, 2 pro tips. Pro tip 1, use software to talk to the other software and to automate 85% of the boring stuff. For example, you can use Make.io or Zapier to tell whenever this happens here in my CRM Pipedrive, inform Slack about it, or whenever this happens on LinkedIn, inform the Notion team here. So you can have software do a lot of the work, and you can concentrate on the 15% that are in your zone of genius. Pro tip number 2 is the exact ChatGPT prompt that you can use, or other AI, but the prompt is always this. So you say, act as a technical writer and create a step-by-step process from the following transcript. Please ensure to use 5-grade language and keep it simple and conversational. So that's the exact prompt that I want you to use, because if you use this, it will work. And now I give you all the steps. Step 1, you do the activity and you record yourself as a screencast. This is, for example, a screencast. I'm using Ecamm, but you can use Loom or whatever screencasting software. Record yourself by doing it. So step 1, you do it and you record yourself. Step 2, you let an AI transcribe the video. Step 3, you give an AI this prompt. Act as a technical writer and create a step-by-step process from the following transcript. Please ensure to use 5-grade language and keep it simple and conversational. Step 4, you paste the transcript. Step 5, you celebrate, because now you have automated 1 step. So congrats. And then step 6, you save it in your system's playbook. We like Notion because it's just simple and visual, but whatever your place is where you have all your magic in one place, this is where you put it. And if you don't have all your magic in one place, well, then your business is not sellable at a very nice multiple. So start doing it. And for each step of this, we have a video for you. So I'm happy to answer all your questions. If you have a sprint coach, make your first draft of your first SOP, upload it, get feedback, get work critique from your sprint coach so you can refine it. And so step by step, you will automate your marketing, your sales, and your operations, so that 85% of the boring stuff is taken care of. You focus on the 15% that is in your zone of genius that you enjoy, and you have more time to work out, to enjoy your friends and family and everything that is important to you. Hope this helps. Let me know what you need next and keep rolling. What if your business would run well even when you are on vacation? Discover how 1,600 business owners have regained their freedom using the Strategy Sprints blueprints. How they enjoy living their dream and watching their business scale. Get the exact checklists they use to go from stressed to fulfilled using the Strategy Sprints method. Order your copy of Strategy Sprints 12 Ways to Accelerate Growth for an Agile Business on Amazon today. And if you love it, leave us a review. For more information, head over to strategysprints.com.